If you're an Amazon online arbitrage seller and you're struggling to find profitable products to sell, this video is for you. Welcome to Flip Finder Network. If you don't already know me, my name is Desmond and I am your personal Amazon online arbitrage guide from start to scale. I want to help as many people succeed in their Amazon online arbitrage business, right? Quit that 9 to 5 that you hate and buy your time back. Get to do things that you want to do in life instead of working 9 to 5. Right? Check out these tan lines right here. You see this sunglass tan line right here? I don't know if you can see that. Uh, I've been fishing today, and I get to do that because my Amazon store is working for me in the background while I get to do the things that I enjoy. So if that sounds like something you want to do in your life, keep watching and I'll show you exactly how to do it. There's nothing to it. So I'm going to show you, today's video is going to be 4 tools that you absolutely must have that are really going to change your Amazon online arbitrage business. Or if you're just starting, these are 4 tools that are essential to succeeding in the Amazon space. And the best part is 2 of them are completely free. They're not going to cost you a dime. And the other 2, I've got some pretty cool exclusive coupons to help you get started. So let me show you what I got. I found this product today, and this is just some kind of little microphone thing. Found it here on Amazon. It's selling for about 23 bucks. Found it over here on the manufacturer's website, Logitech, for $14.99. And that brings me to our first tool. This is little center point here is called RevSeller. This is a profit calculator. And this calculator basically allows me to punch in my buy cost here, and it's going to spit out how much profit I can make on this product after all the fees associated with selling products on Amazon. So you can see it's got our referral fee and our fulfillment fee. It's also got a couple of other fees. This thing can calculate in your sales tax if you're paying sales tax, inbound shipping. It does it all, and it's really affordable. It's less than $10 a month, $99 for the entire year. If you want to sign up, I will stick the link in the description. I believe you get a 2-week free trial, no credit card needed. I'll stick the link down below. Definitely check out RevSeller. It is my favorite Amazon profit calculator tool. It's a Chrome extension. It pops up right here on the product page. It makes things super easy. I can actually save these products in a Google Sheet and export all of this data directly to that Google Sheet so I can look back at old leads or save things for the future. But you're definitely going to want to have some sort of profit calculator, and RevSeller is the cheapest and the best one to do that job. So I punch in my $14.99 here, and I can see this product is profitable currently on Amazon. It's selling about 23 bucks. I'm looking at about a $2 profit, 15% ROI, and those numbers aren't really good enough for me to want to buy this product. Typically, I'm shooting for a minimum of $3 per unit and 30% ROI. Obviously, the higher the better. So this one's not super profitable, but that brings us to tool number 2, and this one's completely free. And if you're not already using it, you're definitely leaving a lot of money on the table. So here on the website, Logitech, I'm just going to stick 10 of these in my cart. So let's put 10 in our cart. And let's go up here to our cart and let's go check out. We might have to back out and go just straight to the cart. Yeah, okay. So let's go to our cart, and can we like view our cart? How do we view our cart? Enter promo code, check out. No, I want to view the cart. I haven't done this in a while. Maybe we can, yeah, here we go. So they make it kind of tricky. So if you see here, it's actually already working for me, and that brings us to our next tool. This is a coupon tool called Coupert, and it's a totally free Chrome extension. It costs $0, and you can see here it's already ready to work for me. It pops up immediately, and it says, hey, we can see that you can get a coupon on this and get it cheaper than you're about to pay, and it's actually already applied it, even though I haven't even clicked apply yet. But I'm going to click apply anyways just to see. And what Coupert does is it has a bank of user coupon codes where other people have used these coupons successfully, and it stores those and it sticks them in and it tests them all for you right here on the website, so you don't have to copy and paste all this stuff. It does everything for you automatically, and you can see it just saved me 25 bucks on this one product. So really cool app, and it's a must-have. If you're not using it and you're doing Amazon online arbitrage, you're definitely leaving a ton of money on the table. You see I just saved 25 bucks on 10 units of one product. So once you get to scale and start buying hundreds of units a month, this is a game changer for your profit. So now instead of $14.99, we're paying about $12.50, $12.52 a piece. So when we come back to our profit calculator and type that new buy cost in, you can see our numbers are drastically better. Now we're making almost $5 per unit and just shy of that 40% ROI. Much better flip. And we can also see Amazon's telling us that this sells at least 50 times a month. So I'm pretty confident we're going to be able to sell the 10 that we're going to buy here. Not a problem. That brings us to tool number 3. And this is a paid tool. This one is another essential. Every Amazon seller has this, and they will all tell you the same thing. You've got to have it, and that is called Keepa. That is this big price chart here at the bottom. I will stick the link to this one in the description as well. It's going to run you about 200 bucks a year if you do the annual plan. I know that's a big commitment. I promise you, you will save yourself over $200 in bad buys. If you don't have this app, you're going to make $200 worth of bad buys because you won't be able to see all this information. And I'll give you just a quick rundown of what we're looking for when we look for profitable products to flip on Amazon. So there's a couple things I want to pay attention to in this Keepa chart, and I've got tons of videos on this page diving a little bit deeper into Keepa, but I'm just going to give you a quick run through of how to qualify products. So we're looking for two things here. We want to see price stability. We want to see that this product has consistently sold at the price that we are expecting to sell it at over time. And that's going to be this pink line here. It's called the buy box line. If you're not familiar, the buy box is this little section of Amazon right here. And Amazon actually rotates different sellers through this little buy box throughout the day, depending on a couple things, location, pricing, all kind of stuff. But we want to see that the buy box is consistently at the sales price that we are expecting to sell this product at. And we can see here it definitely has been over the past 3 months. And even if we back out to see data from a year ago, which is super useful, we want to see long-term stability in the products that we're buying. We can see even over the past year, the price has been relatively stable. So we're pretty confident we can sell this product at that $23 mark. Second thing I'm going to look for on the Keepa chart is our offer count. That's going to be this blue line right here, and that shows us how many other sellers are selling this product. And that's really important for two reasons. Supply and demand is a huge factor in the sales price on Amazon. If too many sellers are trying to sell a product, the price is definitely going to drop at some point, and we want to avoid that because we don't want to buy products that aren't profitable. So we want to keep an eye on our competition, and this is a really good example because we've got consistent movement in this offer count. So it creeps up a little bit here, but it also starts to fall back down. That lets us know that these sellers are getting sales. They're running out of stock and falling off of this listing. So this one definitely checks both the criteria. It's a good flip. We definitely want to buy a few of these. That brings me to our final tool, and this one's actually completely free too. It's called SmartScout, and SmartScout is actually kind of a two-tier thing. SmartScout has a paid version, but the one I'm going to show you today is actually completely free. This is their Chrome extension. So SmartScout has a completely free Chrome extension. I will link that in the description as well. It doesn't cost you a dime. And I really like to use this for sourcing because what it does is it has a profit calculator as well. I prefer the RevSeller profit calculator, but if you're on a budget, it'll definitely get the job done. But my favorite feature of the SmartScout extension is this little section down here called brand opportunities. So SmartScout's actually taking other products from this brand that would make good flipping opportunities, and it only gives you a 3 right here, but what we can do is click see all products, and that's going to open up the SmartScout app where we can scroll through tons of other products from this same brand. It's a really good way to find more leads, because chances are if we already found one profitable product from this brand, there's definitely going to be other opportunities to make money, and we've just got to kind of sort them out. So we can come through here and look through all of these other products and see if we can find more things to buy and sell on Amazon. And let me see if I can find you just a quick example. Let's scroll through here and see. Yeah, this one might be good. This one looks good. So let's open this one up on Amazon. So we've got some kind of little cable thing here, selling for about 29, almost 30 bucks. I can see this as being profitable. This is where RevSeller kicks back in. All we've got to do here is hit this little G button, and it's actually going to Google this product for us. And what do you know, Logitech pops up here. That looks like a match. Let's just double check that. It looks to be the same to me. Not sure if this is, we got to figure out what length we need here. So maybe, okay, it says long, so I'm going to guess it's probably this 1.5 meter version, which is $11.99. So right off the bat, that one's going to be profitable just outright. We're making $4.60, almost 40% ROI, and that's at this $24 mark. We're actually buy boxing right now at $29.99, which would be a ton better. That's a $9 profit, but that's still before our discount that Coupert found us. So let's add a couple of these to the cart as well, and let's take out our first ones here. Oh, I did that backwards. Let's get these back in and take out our first ones here. So we're at $100, basically $10 a unit. So saved us $2 there. So at 10 bucks, we're making an $11 profit here, 110% ROI. That is crazy. It's another really good selling product. And if we scroll down to our Keepa chart, we can see this one has also been consistently stable between 25 and 30 bucks over the last 90 days. It did drop a hair there in December, but as of recent, it's been selling pretty good. Also, I forgot to mention, SmartScout actually offers a Keepa style chart, and this is completely free. It has all the same data, so you can kind of get a 2-for-1 just by downloading that SmartScout Chrome extension. So really cool stuff coming from SmartScout. They're completely free. Again, all the links to all these tools are going to be in the description. SmartScout does have a paid version, which allows you to do a lot more, and I've got tons of videos about that on my YouTube as well. If you're interested in the paid version of SmartScout, I actually have a coupon for 25% off of your first 3 months. I will link that in the description as well. You can use coupon code FLIPFINDER to get 25% off of your first 3 months. So I hope this video helped. 4 steps. We want RevSeller, we want Coupert, we want Keepa, and we want SmartScout. With those 4 tools, you can absolutely start and scale an Amazon online arbitrage business. They will make your life so much easier, and it's really a no-brainer. 2 of them are totally free, so you really got no excuse to not have those 2, and the other 2 are very, very affordable, especially when you break it down monthly. So thank you for watching. I hope this helped anybody out there. If you are interested in learning more about Amazon online arbitrage, join our Discord channel. We have a community going over there. We're over 50 members now, and I appreciate everybody that's already joined. A lot of good information being passed around. We're throwing out leads daily. We're having a lot of sourcing conversion. We're talking about things, doing some sourcing together. I'll link that in the description as well. Check out our website, flipfindernetwork.com. Tons of free resources over there. We've got a free beginner's guide. We've got a sourcing checklist. Subscribe here on YouTube if you got some information from this video. If I helped you, hit that little subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps boost the channel, and it helps us continue making these videos to help you start and scale your Amazon online arbitrage business. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.